So, hi everybody. There's one more song for Earth Day I'd like to sing with you. There was a planet we call home, and Earth is its name. Oh, Earth, 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 and Earth is its name. Oh, the song is gonna go like that. Teacher Vicky is going to take away each letter and replace it with a. Are you ready? So we're going to take away the letter E. Goodbye, letter E. And replace it with a clap. There was a planet we call home, and Earth is its name. Oh, Arth, 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 and Earth is its name. Now we're going to take away the letter A. Very good. Bye-bye, A. And we're going to replace it with a clap. So now we have 1, 2 claps. There was a planet we call home, and Earth is its name. Oh, Arth, 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 and Earth is its name. Oh, take away the letter. You know? R. Very good. And replace it with a clap. How many claps? 1, 2, 3. There was a planet we call home, and Earth is its name. Oh, 1, 2, 3. TH, 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 and Earth is its name. Oh, so now I'm going to take away the letter T. Very good. And I'm going to put in another clap. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 times we have to clap. There was a planet we call home, and Earth is its name. Oh, H, 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 and Earth is its name. Oh, there was a planet we call home. Well, we're going to take away the letter. We're going to put in a clap. How many claps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was a planet we call home, and Earth is its name. Oh, and Earth was its name. Oh, E, A, R, T, H, 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 and Earth was its name. Oh, this one. Clean. That spells clean. We must all work to care for her, to keep her safe and clean. Clean, Clean, and this planet we call home. Okay, my friends, that's it from me today. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your Earth Day activities. Bye.